Okay guys, so if you're looking for more help from the time and sales, okay, so you go here into the first parameter, which is a continuous print alert. You put 10. Okay, it will tell you if 10 continuous prints. Okay, it no matter if it's in the same second or whatever, it will tell you if 10 continuous prints, and it will give you the aggregated volume, which is here, the 344, 556, 292, these big numbers here. Okay, so if you need more aid from the time and sales, this is the way to look at it. You already have the version that you are having right now, which is up to date. You can activate this one by doing this here. 10, you show aggregate volume and volume threshold of 1, meaning that any trade, okay, so if you, for example, if you put here 100, okay, and you like 10 prints, it will only print if the 10 prints or higher are above 100. So just leave it in 1, and every time the time and sales hits the tape very quickly, you will get the amount of contracts short, and okay, you can take action over that. And you see the visual imbalance here, which is this one little here. Okay, so it will help you guys. And you see the tape momentum, the blue lines. Okay, you see this, you can do a scalp. Okay, do a scalp. This here, you can do a scalp. This is 8 ticks right here. Okay, breakout. We see imbalance here. Okay, it's quick scalps, guys. This is what I always talk about, guys. This is all that you need. I don't know people, trying to get something else, market profile, and all that. What you need to do, guys, is put money on the table. Okay, family needs money, so it don't matter how you get the money. It's how you operate your software. Just let the computer do the high, the tough work for you. Okay.
Short signal yes.
Okay, guys.
Short signal
here.
and Q. Short signal and Q.
Okay, we see tape. Hitting the tape. We see buyers, but very little.
Short signal and Q.
Okay, there goes the NQ. Okay, plus 400 here, guys. It's a Friday, so we're gonna check if the market can make us another trade later on.